How to enter one name on Facebook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove your last name or only set up a single name on Facebook. So let's just jump right into the video. The first thing you can do is open up your Facebook app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon at the top right, then simply head over to your profile settings. Once you open settings, head over to account center because that's where you control all of your account settings. So go ahead and tap on profiles, and then from here choose your Facebook account. Once you've chosen your Facebook account, tap on the name option to edit your name. You have to make sure that you cannot change it again for 60 days. So just remove your last name here, and once you've removed it, you can enter a blank character that you can find anywhere online if you search for it, or you can just add blank spaces. Tap on review changes, and there is a limit on how short the surnames can be, but if you enter the blank characters here, you should be able to do it, and your name should look something like this here. So if I tap on names, I can change this to a single name like this, and then tap on save. And now you have successfully changed your name to only one name on Facebook. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.